Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's an 8x8 inch canvas that we hope will be small and mighty. And I'm going to do some practice color combinations. And I thought I'd let you join me. And the first one is going to be African Violet and Frozen. And I'm going to put those together. I might should have put them in a more geometric pattern, and I should do it both ways to see how that turns out, but we'll start this way. So 2 colors at a time. The next combination is the red violet, which is the Vivid Intense, with sour lemon that has orange crush mixed into it. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, and these are Colourarte Prizm Pours and Primary Elements and Vivid Intenses. So here's the red violet. And there is the sour lemon with a little bit of orange crush in it. Now, because it's a small canvas, I might just decide to use one of my small acetate tools. In this case, maybe not as small as the rest, but I'll include the video tutorial for those. So my next combination is red violet and saffron, but instead of saffron, I think I'm going to use this Vivid Intense Fluorescent Vermillion Red Orange. I'm just a little confused as to what. Maybe I'll try it both ways. I'll do the red orange. And stack them 2 different ways. The last one is Fandango and turquoise, and my turquoise choices are pretty good. I have Mystique, or I have the Royal Sapphire, which is, why don't we do the same thing we did again? We'll do a combination. They're good colors. You can't beat these colors, I swear. Let's do 3. Actually, let's cheat and go outside of my comfort zone and try the red violet over that. Not that I don't like exactly what I've got right now, because I could just stop and leave it if I wanted to. I've got so many colors, it's nearly impossible to choose just a few. So there's my crib sheet. Where's my tool? Right there. Do I want such a large tool? I guess I'm going to try it first with a large tool. I've got smaller ones, and I'm thinking that might happen next. So I'm not sure about the white, so I'm just going to go a few little drops, and then I'm going to pull out something like the Mayan Gold. And I need to make up some gold cell activator. I just have to decide whose recipe as well as my own I'm going to use. And it is a dry black canvas. Since I'm 100% certain that the black is actually cell activator, I can go back and steal a little bit of that. Let's go slightly smaller this time. I think I want to leave more of the colors behind that are there, because I like them every bit as much as I like the celly part. Get rid of that bubble. I think a little more black is in order. I don't know, maybe I should have definitely done what I was talking about and lined them up so I could keep track. Maybe even made notes. That's so not my MO, but it probably wouldn't have been a bad idea this time. So I've got this acetate tool, which is a great tool for carving patterns into things. So maybe I'll indulge myself and drag some colors around. A few loop-de-loops. After all, why not? I think I want some colors that I don't have over here. I'm going to scrape off the colors I do have. Motivate those around. I haven't put any spirals in, but I could. I don't see any reason why not. I love my little acetate tools. They are the bomb. I'm not sure what this is or even if it's attractive yet. I could always use it as with a toothy tool, which people are using other tools from like Princeton Catalyst Company and getting wonderful results pulling and dragging marks, but I'm not sure. I haven't been doing that for a long time. Alright, let's take and put a few spirals in. Because I don't, yeah, that helps. I don't mind if there's a little leftover color from the previous pull. I might even put some gold in. I'm very tempted. Maybe just a few dots. Just a few dots might turn into like more than a few dots, but a lot of times I find that dots really add a lot of interest to a composition. Oh, that wasn't round. But I bet I can make it round. So, I don't really think I found out what I needed to find out. So I'm going to have to do another one and find out the other way. I'll just put lines down. But I do love you guys, and I thank you for joining me. I hope you come again. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find a playlist for every kind of art that I create by going to playlists. But you have to go to my channel first and go to all playlists, created playlists. And if you need a link, please just ask me, because I have them all saved and they're very, very accessible to me. And I'm not finding any reason at all not to spiral and dot. Take a few colors from some places. Or even re-spiral. So what did I forget to tell you guys? Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. I really appreciate that. Those two tools are going in the bucket. So I'm going to have to find myself another canvas. But this is actually kind of cute. It's no big shakes. It's no little shakes either, I guess. Whatever shakes are. I've got color dripping down over my side that I want right there. I will torch. Maybe I should just take any of those color combinations. I want a spiral, whoops. I want a spiral right in there. Another one right there. I could actually probably work on this until I'm happy. But I'm not unhappy either. And I'm going to zoom in. It's just fun. Practice. Experimentation. So thank you guys for the donations. Thank you guys for the memberships. The membership is enjoying over 110 videos in the members only library. My Amazon link is on the link tree. You'll find my 2 books there, Because They Can and Unlimited Possibilities. The first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube about fluid acrylic pouring. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and they help me out. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork. If you're looking on the link tree, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group. Under the video, you're going to find spring clothing and Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, The Gallerist, and spring clothing can all have all over prints. This might make a really cool all over print, actually. Might make a really cool all over print. I'm probably falling in love with this more than I was a moment ago right now. I'm loving what the cells are doing. It looks like colorful dragons having a party. I'm going to look for bubbles and pop them with my torch. My paint pouring recipes will be under show more. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for being here. If there's anything I can do for you, please don't hesitate. I'll do my best. And if I can't, I'll try and send you in the direction of someone who knows better. Why do I not keep... Yeah. So if there's a couple more spirals, you probably won't notice, but I get compelled. I'll see you guys anon. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery saying, out. I'm out. I'll see you anon. See how I am. Bye for now.